All right, we've got end of day 20 here at Corona. You can see we've got a little dumpster back here, just taking out extra debris. We've got all of our stumps and everything have been removed and ground out today. So we have no stumps, just little straggling points here and there. Still need to work on the garage door, but the outside's been painted. We have little touch-ups to do. We've got a few tiles we're going to be replacing here. But at this point, we've got little jobs bringing things together. Take you inside and you will see that we have drywall going up here. And let's see, we'll come right in here into the kitchen. We've got drywall partially up in here. So we're coming along here. Bring you on over to the bathroom, which you can now see is getting its own drywall. We're using the purple board in here, which is good for a moist area. We've got purple board going in here. We've got concrete backer up around the tub surround to take the tile. There will also be concrete backer in here. That's what you put up behind your tiles, but we've got to put our membrane and everything in first. Take you into bedroom number 1. And we have fading light here, but we have painted the walls. The walls are all painted. We're ready to hang up our new ceiling fans, which we've gotten, very mid-century modern style. Bedroom number 2, the front bedroom. This one's also been painted and is ready for its ceiling fan. So we're done there. We've got all brand new doors that are going to be coming in, new pocket doors going in there actually tomorrow for the bathroom. We decided to stick with the pocket because it gives you more space when you go into the bathroom. John Dungan of Ability Air is our really great AC guy, and he is putting in new ductwork in several places where it needed to be replaced. That's where the old return was. We're going to be taking care of that as well. So as you can see, we have a tremendous amount of progress here on the house. A lot more to come since the bathroom will be tiled. We're also going to be tiling this floor since sadly we were not able to salvage it. Which, well, it breaks my heart a little bit, but we're going to be putting some nice ceramic tile in here, some of the good plank tile. So there you have it. That's where we're at today with Corona, end of day 20. We will see you again next week, give you an update with our flooring. I'll take you out of here since it's so noisy, and you can visit us on our website at www.salvageandrestoration.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and just about every place else at Gulf Coast Salvage and Restoration, or Salvage and Resto. And we'll bring you another update early next week.